Dala lang pa. That's why we're so stressed. As in, we're panicking every time.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Good morning, beautiful people! Today is Sunday. Tsura ko naman, okay. Today is Sunday. Hungry na ikaw. Hungry. You want it? So, nagbukas ako ng AC, guys, kasi sobrang tumatagiktik. Ang init sa Iloilo, 43 degrees po kami. So, kawawa ang aking tambok, si Taba, kawawa. Grabe yung yung pawis. Luto muna tayo guys ng breakfast. Sabi ko hugasan. Iniwan ko kagabi. Sabi ko ngayon ko na lang hugasan morning kasi hindi ko na kaya. Pagod ako kagabi kasi di ba hindi pala ako nag-vlog kagabi, no? Si Arya gusto manood ng Minecraft. So pinanood ko siya sa SM ng Minecraft. Dalawa kami. Sakit ng likod ko tsaka ng paa ko sa kakalakad. Mga 6 na kami dumating ni Arya ng gabi. Pinakain ko lang si Arya. Tsaka si Arya ng dinner. Tapos tulog na kami.
A few moments later.
Guys, guess what? Sobrang init ang panahon ba? Total off naman kasi today ni Alt and tomorrow. So, guess where we going? Magdadagat kami mga bi. Punta kami ng dagat. Pagliliguin namin ng mga kids ulit. Sulit-sulitin natin ng summer. Check ko lang muna yung mga saksakan. Aircon. Tanggalin ang... Ayan. Tapos, wala. Ayan. Tapos, okay na yan. Wait lang.
Meanwhile.
Let's go.
Dala. Dala lang pa. Sige na, babay na lolo. Kiss na lolo, please. Kiss na, babay na lolo. Kiss na lolo, kiss.
I guess no one's to blame. Nobody crossed the line.
It's okay, Daddy. It's okay. It's okay. You would go swimming. You go swim? Nandito na kami, guys. Maliligo lang kami saglit sa dagat.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air.
Swimming the beach only. Hi guys, we're here. Ang daming tao, puno. But anyway, I don't think this time they're swimming kasi mainit. Basang-basa ako sa pawis. So we will just let the kids swim and we will go na sa aming pupuntahan. Aryan! Are you gonna swim? Swim ikaw? Swim ikaw in the beach? Dali. Go na swim in the beach. Dali, let's go. We're here mga besh. Ayan. Naglatag lang kami dito kasi mahal yung cottage ba. Yung cottage nila is parang 600 pesos. Eh, sandali lang kami guys. Mga 2 hours lang naman kami dito. Diba? Buti sa kanila is hindi sila nagbabawal. Doon sa pinuntahan namin dati guys, bawal yung ganito. Bawal maglagay ng umbrella, tsaka maglagay ng tawag dito, ng picnic mat ganyan or towel. So, kukuha ka talaga ng cottage. Dito okay lang sa kanila, be. Ayan sila Aryan, guys. Ayan sila Ang ganda yung dagat, guys, kasi malinaw.
1 hour, 2
Ay
hours.
guys, o yan, nakapag-base na kami. Nakaahon na kami kasi itong si Dudong Aryan guys. Tantrums po si Aryan. Pagkatapos sa mga 1 hour na langoy-langoy ganyan, hindi namin alam, bigla lang siya nag-tantrums. Gusto niya pumasok sa isang kwarto kasi naalala niya guys, doon kami nag-stay dati. So pumipili siya pumasok sa isang kwarto. Ayaw niya na siguro mag-saving, gusto niya na magpahinga. Eh wala naman kami kinuhang kwarto doon, hindi kami nag-rent, diba? Hindi kami nag-overnight. So ligo lang talaga yung pinunta namin doon. Nakakaawa kasi grabe, wala niya talaga guys. Kaya ayun, nag-base na lang kami lahat. Pero in fairness na ano naman namin, we also swim enough. Enough na naman. So now we're going to the place kung saan na lang kami magsistay. Pero hanap kami na mapapagkapihan muna. Medyo tumahimik na siya. Binigyan ko siya ng chips. Hindi kami sanay nag-tantrum si Aryan. Right? We're not used that Aryan is making tantrums.
Yeah, yeah.
That's why we're so stressed. As in, we're panicking every time he's stressing out because every time he's making a scene because we're not used to it, and you know, he's not like that. Daddy, also I like the color. I like the color. But so much of that.
Oh, they have a basket.
Yes, in front.
Oh.
Also, we can put basket at the back. Dali, there's a playground there. Dali, go. There's a playground. You wanna play? Okay, brown out kasi sa Iloilo. Ayan guys, pag nagkaroon kami ng nagpaplano kami bumili ng lupa dito sa Guimaras. Wow, chuchal. Hindi, I mean kasi mura pa guys, mura pa po yung per square meter nila dito. Gusto ko talaga magkabahay guys sa probinsya. Kasi probinsya, tapos maganda pa yung dagat. Meron silang birthday.
Where is the line between dreaming and feeling blue? It's 4 o'clock in the evening. I haven't left my room, but the truth is, if I'm honest, I feel stuck here in the middle.
Hi guys! So we're here na po sa aming istayan. Baby boss. Baby, nice. Look at that. There's some fish. Oh, look at the fish. Wow. Hi guys! So we're here. Papakita ko sa inyo yung room. Ang laki ha, in fairness. Sobrang laki. Ha? I don't know if we can fit here, but let's see. Ayan, so this is the room. O, diba? Ayan. Meron silang parang mini-mini receiving area. Hi, Aryan! Ayan. Tapos, this is the TV. Nag-request na kami ng extra bed. And this is the balcony. Oh, hi, Daddy!
I'm busy.
That's where you're hanging out, enjoying.
These are lot. Extra lot. Yeah? By the way, the last order is 7:30. I will go order, huh? Maliligo lang ako. I will just take... Ayan, kasi naligo kami sa dagat. So, hindi ako nakapagbanlaw doon kasi si Aryan, di ba, nag-tantrums. Sabi ko, dito na lang ako sa resort magbabanlaw. Tapos mag-dinner na kami. Hi guys, dinner na tayo mga guys. Hindi na sila nauna kasi naligo ako, di ba? So, nauna, hindi ko alam saan ako dadaan. Ganda oh, meron silang... Parang kami lang yung dito. Kain tayo guys. Ito lang yung in-order namin. Sinigang na...
Okay.
Ayan, sinigang na bangus. Lechong kawali.
No, it's with beef.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter.
Tatan, guess where kung nasaan kami guys? Nasa taas kami ng ng cottage sa harap ng pool. Ang ganda dito, be, sobra. Tomorrow, papakita ko sa inyo yung buong resort nila. Malaki din siya. Para siyang farm. Nature resort. Hindi pala farm. Para siyang nature resort. Ganun. So, nabusog ako, be. In fairness, masarap din ang food nila. Nag-order ako ng iced coffee. Tingnan ko ba kung oh, ate. Oh, enjoying. Yummy. No, he's looking at you. No, wait, Daddy's coming. Daddy coming.
I'm coming.
Tom, sit down. Daddy come on.
Coming.
Oh, lala. Daddy coming. Daddy coming. Daddy coming. Daddy coming. Whoop. Again. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. Yay. Shoot the ball. Whoop. Laro siya, guys. Dito kami sa playground nila, guys. Punta lang yung playground nila. May may ilaw. Maliwanag, oh. Tadan! Ayan, see? Meron silang slide. Tomorrow, papakita ko sa inyo na mas maliwanag. Meron silang swing. Ang ganda ng slide, oh. Bago. Meron silang seesaw.
Nice.
No, like this. Are you here? Here, like this. 1, 2, 4. Like that. Yes, good job. Oh, mga bata, ang sarap. Oh my gosh, Siso is the best. Ashyam! Slowly. Ikaw, bully na tatay, oh. Ayan, that's it for tonight, guys. At least pinag-ano ko lang sila. Matunawan lang kami ba? Ayan, let's go na. Let's go to the room. Daddy, I will just ask for ice cube. Ayan, so ayan guys, nandito na kami sa room. Although yung ano kasi nila guys, yung bed is good for 2, kaya meron kami extra bed. Dito na lang sila. I think even your
I can slide up properly.
your feet can it. Right? Anyway, so kailangan kami sa baba ni Aryan kasi si Aryan guys malalaglag. He will fall down, I'm sure. Aryan, come to mommy. Shh, come. Come, mama, come. Oh, patay Arya. Daddy, oh, he wants in the bed. Here, come, mommy. Here. No, here na. Mommy, sleep here. Oh, you don't want to sleep with mommy, huh?
Sleeping time.
Bumo istiyo. No phone. No phone.
Sleeping time. Night.
By the way, guys, so ayan. End na namin tong vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Ayan, night-night na sa dam. Ayan, night-night.